Welcome aboard the Bosphorus tour, where we embark on the delightful journey through Istanbul captivating waterway. With just 13 lira with your Istanbul card, you can experience the beauty and charm of the Bosphorus like never before. So today our journey begins in Eminönü, the vibrant heart of Istanbul, where the shores brim with ferry stations, both private and public. Join us as we embark on a tour aboard a public ferry exploring the bustling waters of the Bosphorus. So at every station you will find this machine selling the Istanbul card for 17 lira in 2024. This card provides unlimited access to all public transport networks in Istanbul. Simply recharge the card when it runs out. In Eminönü, you will discover numerous ferry boat stations, each offering lines like Eminönü Üsküdar or Eminönü Kadıköy. Our station named Boğaz Hattı will take us along the Bosphorus on the European side. This line is one of the longest routes, where the journey could span approximately 2 hours, reaching Büyükdere. Here you will catch sight of Istanbul iconic third bridge, Yavuz Selim Sultan Bridge, offering a panoramic view of the city's stunning skyline. The first stop is Beşiktaş, a bustling district known for its vibrant energy and historical landmarks. Explore the lively street and lined with cafes, restaurants and shops, and don't miss the chance to visit Beşiktaş Çarşı. And now we arrive at Ortaköy, the picturesque neighborhood nestled beneath the shadow of the iconic Ortaköy Mosque. And from here you can take the best picture for Ortaköy Mosque. Be sure to admire the stunning views of the Bosphorus Bridge which connect Europe and Asia. Our tour then takes us to Arnavutköy, a historical neighborhood famous for its Ottoman era architecture and colorful waterfront houses. now we reach Bebek, a charming enclave beloved for its elegant mansions and scenic waterfront. Take a leisurely walk along the tree-lined street where you will find chic boutique, cozy cafes and traditional seafood food restaurants, offering a fresh catches of the day. Join me on my Instagram to follow along with my journey there. Here we have a captivating view of Rimel Hisari. You can explore a special video dedicated to Rimel Hisari on my YouTube channel. It's a must-visit historical place in Istanbul. And here we have a splendid view of the second bridge of Istanbul, the Fatih Sultan Mehmet Bridge. Eminönü, home to one of Istanbul's most beautiful parks, explore the lush gardens and tranquil pathways of Eminönü Park, a verdant oasis where you can escape the hustle and bustle of the city. Please feel free to watch the video featuring Eminönü on my channel, where you can find the best things to do in Eminönü. I have included the link in the description box below. Well, finally we reach Estonia, known for its lively market. The ferry then heads to Büyükdere, where you can see Istanbul's third bridge. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more adventure in this beautiful world. See you next time, bye bye.